Good day, everyone. Learn how to change your account name in Windows 11. So if you want to change whenever you log in, you want to change the account name, you can do that, and it's a very easy and very straightforward process. So here in the search icon, type control and you will find the best match control panel. And then I'll maximize it. Now at the top right corner where you have view by like this, you need to select by large icons or small icons like this. So I'll select the large icon, and here we are looking for accounts. So you can see I have found it, user accounts, and I will click on that. So if you have a Microsoft account, you will not get the option. However, if you have a local account, you will get an option to change the account name. And if you want to change that, you can simply log into Microsoft and you can change it. And the next thing, if you want to change the local account, any another account, manage another account, you can click on that. And let's say if I want to change admin Jimmy, I just clicked on that and you can see change account name. You can simply give a new name, ABS, just and when you restart the computer, you will get the new name, new account in the computer. So this is how you can change the user account name on Windows 11, and the same steps can be done on Windows 10 as well. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.